Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to share with you a tutorial on how to create a digital journal on your iPad for free. Before starting, let me show you my iPad aesthetic theme that I manually planned and set up. If you guys want to know how I set up my iPad, you can find the link of the video in the description, or you can click on the I button showing up. In this tutorial, the apps I'm going to use are Keynote, Goodnotes, and I'm going to download some pictures from Pinterest. So the first step is opening Keynote. It's basically an iOS app. Sometimes it is pre-installed or you can find it in App Store. Then you gotta do is click on the plus sign on the top and select choose a theme. Here, while choosing a theme, you can change the slide size. I like standard 403 size because the wide is a bit short in height and wider in breadth. Meanwhile, standard has perfect, but it is personal choice. Now, next I do is choose a white theme. Now I'm removing the text. Now going to shapes, I am going to choose this square with round edges, placing it in the top and dragging the bottom dot down. I am leaving little white space, and there is this green dot which I'm going to drag a little bit to make it look like the edges of some book or a journal. Now the box is actually blue, so you can go to that brush icon and change color. There are options for textured or gradients. I'm going with dark pink and light pink gradient. Now I'm adding more boxes for pages, and obviously I am going to make them slightly smaller than box I added before. And now I'm going to turn this box into white so it can actually look like pages. And in the brush section, there is option for shadow so you can actually make it look like the pages are actually realistic. Now I'm just copying and pasting the same box and making it a little smaller. You can see the shadow effect I added. Let me zoom in the camera here. Now I'm going to add a line in the center to make it look like binding. Now I'm going to the brush icon and I'm going to decrease the opacity of the line because the black color is too sharp and doesn't look realistic. And I'm going to add shadow effect to the right side. And there we go, we have our middle side of the journal ready. Keynote is a presentation app that can be used for so much more than just presentations. With a little creativity, you can turn it into a digital journal that is not only functional, but also beautiful. So I copied a slide and now I'm dragging the white boxes to make it look like the front page of the journal. Again, I copied a slide to make the front. Now I'm going to delete the white pages and the line. And I'm going to drag the pink box like this here. And I'm going to keep this in the center. I'm going to decorate the cover later in the Goodnotes app. And similarly, I'm dragging the pages to left to make it look like the end of the journal. Although I know we don't really need that, but just in case. Now we are going to export the journal as PDF and save to files. Now we are going to open Goodnotes and tap on the new. Here we will find the import option, and here you can import the journal you just made. Now it's time to decorate the journal, and we are going to download some stickers from Pinterest, and I have saved the stickers that I'm going to use in a Pinterest board, and I will provide the link for that in the description box. Here are some stickers that I have downloaded. You guys can use some app to wave off the background. I am simply going to use iOS sticker creating effect by tapping on the sticker and select add sticker. Now I'm going back to Goodnotes, tap on add text and open keyboard and go to the emojis board. And here you will find the added stickers. Simply just choose any sticker you want to add and resize it to however you want. Now, Goodnotes provide really good brushes that I'm going to use later on while filling into my journal. But for the header, I totally love this freeform brush. Freeform is also an iOS pre-installed app. If somehow it isn't there, you can find it in the App Store. I really love the brush provided here and nothing else. I'm going to write my name like Serene Journal so I can add it on the cover page. Now to import this handwriting, I'm going to use Lasso tool, which can simply select your handwriting and then you can simply just copy and paste it anywhere on your journal. The steps are really pretty easy and I hope I didn't complicate anything, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more content. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.